Did you know every day we throw away gold from our kitchen? Yes, those vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and dry leaves in your garden. They are not waste, they are future soil. Today, I'm going to show you how I turn this waste into rich organic compost using a simple compost bank method right at home. No chemicals, no fancy machines, just nature doing its magic. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Halftuber 81. If you love gardening, sustainable living, and growing your own food, you are absolutely in the right place. Today's video is perfect for beginners as well as experienced gardeners who want to go fully organic. Today I'll walk you step by step through how I create my own compost bank using dry leaves, garden soil, and kitchen waste. Before we begin, let's quickly understand why composting is important. Every day, our kitchen generates organic waste. Instead of sending it to landfills where it produces harmful gases, we can recycle it into something incredibly useful, nutrient-rich compost. This compost improves soil health, boosts plant growth, reduces waste, saves money on fertilizers. Think of it as giving back to nature what we take from it. So let's start with what we need to create a compost bank. Number 1, dry leaves, brown material. Kitchen waste like vegetable peels, fruit scraps, green material. Garden soil, a container, pit or corner in your garden. Now here's my method. I create a layering system. This is the secret behind good compost. First layer, dry leaves. This helps with aeration. Second layer, kitchen waste, provides nutrients. And the third layer, garden soil, introduces microbes, and then I repeat these layers again and again. Once your compost bank is set up, the real magic begins. Here are a few simple things I follow. I keep the compost slightly moist, not too wet. I turn it once every 7 to 10 days to allow oxygen flow. I always cover fresh kitchen waste with dry leaves to avoid smell. Important tip: avoid adding oily food, dairy, or meat scraps. Stick to plant based waste for best results. Within a few weeks, you will notice the materials breaking down, and in about 6 to 8 weeks, you'll get dark, crumbly compost, also called black gold. Now, friends, I want to pause here and talk to you. How many of you are already composting at home? And how many are watching this and thinking I should start, but I don't know how? Tell me honestly in the comments. I read every single one of them. If you are already composting, share your experience. Does it smell sometimes? Do you get good compost? Or how long does it take for you? And if you are a beginner, don't hesitate, just type starting today in the comments. I will personally guide you step by step. Also, I know many people face common problems like bad smell, insects or flies, compost not breaking down. If you have faced any of these, just comment your problem. I'll reply with simple solutions or even make a dedicated video for you. Let's make this a small community where we learn from each other and grow together. Because composting is not just about waste, it's about changing habits and creating a greener future. For me, composting is not just a gardening method, it's a mindset shift. Earlier, I used to see kitchen waste as something useless, something to throw away. But today, I look at those same peels and leftovers and see life, growth, and possibility. Every time I add my homemade compost to the soil, I feel a different kind of satisfaction because I know this is something I created with my own hands, completely natural, completely free, and full of life. And the results: healthier plants, greener leaves, and stronger growth without using any chemicals. But more than that, it gives me peace of mind knowing that I am reducing waste and doing my small part for the environment. It may seem like a small habit, but trust me, this small step can create a big impact over time. Friends, one thing I have often noticed: many gardeners complain about the shortage of good garden soil. And honestly, I understand that struggle, especially for those living in apartments or cities. Soil is precious, but at the same time, I feel grateful because if you really look around, many of us are already blessed with everything we need. For example, in my case, I have a backyard with ample garden soil. We are food lovers, so there's always fruit peels and vegetable waste coming from the kitchen. And with so many trees around, dry leaves are never in shortage. So when I think about it, nature has already given us all the raw materials. We just need to use them wisely. Instead of saying, I don't have enough soil, maybe we can start asking, how can I create more soil naturally? And that's exactly what composting does. It creates soil from waste. So tell me in the comments, do you also feel you already have these resources around you? Or is space and soil a challenge for you? Let's discuss this honestly. I would love to hear your situation and help you find a solution. So, friends, before we end, here's a small thought for the day. Nature doesn't create waste, it creates cycles. What we call waste is just a resource in the wrong place. And the moment we understand this, everything changes. If this video inspired you even a little, don't just watch, take action. Start your composting journey today, even with a small step. Do like this video if you believe in sustainable living. Comment Go Green if you are starting today. And don't forget to subscribe to HalfTuber81 for more simple and practical gardening ideas. And most importantly, share this video with someone who throws away kitchen waste daily. Let's help them turn it into black gold. Together, let's not just grow plants, let's grow a greener future.